Hello universe, welcome to Angels AI, and let's continue our topic quickly, going ahead onto the RVS code. And today we are going to learn a very amazing thing that you will like so much. Lecture number 15.html. And let's create a boilerplate, name our document. And today we are going to learn how to embed elements. How you can embed elements. Fine. So if you have ever headed to my website, and if you have seen this page, this one, and if you have seen this page, you have seen that I have embedded a YouTube video in between a website. Okay, so if I click on it, it will start to play.
A prophecy whispers across the digital.
So how you can make this any YouTube video into your website or any website's page onto your website. So that is called embedding. So we are going to do it today. So before I tell you what the code it is, I'm going to do something like if I go to YouTube and I find some video. Okay, let's find some video. Okay. Let's find some video. Let's say that you can search my songs. Okay. Well, let's get that video only. We'll see what we can get. Yes. So we got this video. So what we have to do is just have to click on these three dots of any of your video, and you will get this share button. And as you do it, you can see let me check. Yeah, you get this icon as embed. If you click on it, you will get this code of that editing. Okay, so what you can do is that you have to press on this copy button. Okay, on this copy button, and this thing is fully copied. And what we can do is that we have to just paste that code on inside our body, and what we get is something like this. We have something called iframe, alright, the tag called iframe, and we have a lot of attributes, but we don't have any value. Okay, so we don't have anything in between, right? So we just have attributes. What we have is the source of the video, means the URL, and the title, and the frame border. What does that mean? When you're means if you have this thing, so what will be the border of the video? It is what it's asking. And what is your clipboard, and what it will be? Will it be autoplay or something? Will it means there are a lot of attributes, and what you have to do is just save this and open it with live server, and let's see what the magic occurs. So as you can see, inside your website you've got this your embedded video. So that's how cool and so easy it is for you. But not always you get this free open source code. So let's continue to comment it, and we are going to explore this tag, this very special tag known as iframe. Press enter. You've got this two attributes. Fine. And which are very default values of this iframe, the attributes. And what is saying is that the source, fill in with the source. What is the source? The URL of the thing that you want to embed into. And this is a frame border. Okay, so frame border should be the border of this video. So what you can do inside the source, you can add any website. For instance, let's try to add a website. If it works with a video, it should work with the websites as well. So let's copy my website's URL, and let's close this so that we don't want so much of, yeah. So let's fill it with this source. Okay, and let's save, and let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry, I just didn't open, I just closed that one too. So what you got is something like this. You've got my website over here. So maybe the size is too short, but you can see that website is there within my website. So how can you do it? You can also set the width of it. Width should be like 100%, and the height should also be like 100%. Okay, and if I would do that, if I save it, I can get others website into my website, right? Means how cool it is. So it is still like this, so we'll have to do it 100 pixels, no, 100, no, let's keep it like 700 pixels. What if I do this? You got it. So I'll have to keep it 1000. Are you kidding me? Means this, we can embed the whole website of someone else into our own web page, and we can make it scroll till it finishes. Means wow, it's so nice, right? And if it also redirects, into itself. Means you can, how you can, it's just nice, you know, it's so cool. Wow. And so that is how you do your embedding, and I hope that you understood everything in this video, and we'll move on to another topic into our next one. Thank you so much for watching it.